Hello student, today we are going to do distance formula coordinate geometry some question from class 9, and the question is find the distance between the following pairs of point. First question is 0,3 and 0,7. We have to find out the distance between these 2 points. When you look at this point, the first x coordinate is 0, here also x coordinate is 0. So that means number 1 solution. Number 1 question solution. The points are on the y axis. The points are on the y axis because the x coordinate is 0 and here also x coordinate is 0. So that's why the points are on the y axis. And the second things what we have to do is, first the point is, let us consider this point as y1. Your y1 equals to 3, and consider this point as y2. y2 equals to 7. And after doing this, we have to see which one is greater. Here y2 is 7 and y1 is 3. That means y2 is greater than y3. That means y2 is greater than y1. So required distance equals to, we have to subtract the smaller number from greater. We have to subtract y1 from y2. Here y2 is 7 and y1 is 3. When we subtract it, we get 4 unit. In this way it can be solved. And the second question is, and to do second question, here the second question is 0, -2 and 0, -7. Here also the x coordinate is 0 and here also x coordinate is 0. That means the points are on the y axis. And to do solution number 2, we have to write the same thing. The points are on the y axis. The points are on the y axis because the x coordinate is 0. Here also x coordinate is 0. And let us consider this as y1. Your y1 equals to -2 and y2 equals to -7. Here y1 is -2 and y2 is -7. That means y1 is greater than y2. So required distance will be equals to y1 minus y2. Your y1 is -2. We have to write -2, and the y2 is -7. But here also minus and minus, we have to write +7. And we have to subtract these two numbers. When you subtract these two numbers, we get 7 minus 2, 5 unit. In this way, it can be solved. And now we have to do last question, third question. And the third question is 0, -4 and 0, 8. Here also the x coordinate is 0 and here also x coordinate is 0. That means the points are on the y axis. And we are doing solution number 3. We have to write the points are on the y axis, and here y1 equals to -4 and y2 equals to 8. Here y1 equals to -4 and y2 equals to 8. And when you look at this, y2 is greater than y1. y2 greater than y1. Therefore require distance equals to, we have to subtract y2 and y1. Here y2 is 8 and y1 is -4. But in front of y1 here is minus, that's why minus and minus it will be +4. And we have to add this. When you add this, we get 12 unit. In this way it can be solved. Thank you.